What's up, everybody? So I found a guy that's got all the parts that I stole off the black Civic and put on the gambler car. So we're gonna head up here and meet up with him and buy all the parts. That way we can get the black car back together, up and going, and get the gambler car with its own parts. Quit having to borrow stuff, moving stuff around from car to car. So we're gonna head up and see what all this guy's got. So we'll see y'all when we get up there. We're not there yet, but check out this thing that's about to pass us.
Take the next left onto Industrial Drive Southwest.
That thing's awesome. All right, we made it up here. Met up with Jordan right here. He's gonna sell me some parts. Got a pretty cool little EK sedan. If you want to check it out, Instagram is
Low sedan.
right there. Yeah, he's got a whole trunk full of parts for me and a hood. So we'll get all these loaded up and get back to the shop and see what we can do. All right, we're all loaded up. All kinds of stuff back there. Oh, we got stuff kind of everywhere in here, but get it all unloaded and see what we got. To tell you the truth, I'm not even sure what all was in there. All I really needed was the hood and some tail lights. I didn't get it on video in the last one, but I actually did break this tail light at Prentice Cooper. I don't have a mirror on this side and can't exactly see out that window, and I actually backed into Casey, smashed that taillight out, and then the hood was actually off my other Civic, so I got that other hood. So we can get this back on the black car and probably cut a hole in the new hood so we can make some sort of a snorkel at some point. So we'll get all this unloaded and see what all we got and see what parts we can throw on here real quick. All right, got all this stuff unloaded. Definitely don't need all of it. This lip right here I can use on the black car. These little things right here, I can probably find some use for them. So metal cutout things. Got all these tail lights, but the driver's side is missing, so that's kind of a bummer. But you can definitely use the hood. This little clock right there, I could probably use that in the red car. You know, there's just some stuff here and there. There's a transmission side torque mount. I'm not sure if that'll fit the Z6. I'm pretty sure it's for a Y8, but we'll see if that one will fit anyways. But just a bunch of random stuff. So we'll go ahead and get this hood off here so we can take it to the other car and get this silver hood on. Hood's off. Sitting out here. Maybe the rain will wash some of the mud off. But while I've got that hood off here, before we put this one on, I've actually got a new clutch line, and supposedly this will go from the slave all the way around to the master. So we'll get that opened up, see if it's long enough, and go ahead and put that in. So you remember the last video, we kind of rigged that up to get it back to the truck. Alright, so this line has this kind of fitting on it. and this is the stock one. So you see they're different types. But it comes with these. So you just screw these in, and then this will screw onto there. I'm going to go ahead and put these in the slave cylinder or the master cylinder, and then we can run this line. So the one on the master is kind of close to the firewall. It might be a problem. Go ahead and snug those up. Now since the master cylinder side is so close to the firewall, I'm going to start over there. And probably going to use the 90-degree side. Run it back here like the stock one was. This one back here is kind of tricky to get to. A lot of stuff in the way, and with that extra fitting in here, it's right up on the firewall. Alright, that side's on. And we'll stand this way. Run under some stuff here. Alright, there we go. Let me show y'all where this, I was talking about with how tight it is on the firewall. It would fit a lot better if it was like 3 inches longer. It is a little tight on the routing, but there it is down there with a little adapter. And then it comes up around through here, up and around all the way to the master. And then right here on the master, see if I can't see with that adapter, that's right there close to that firewall. It's got maybe a millimeter or so, because the way that it's angled back towards the firewall. So it was a little tight to get it in there, but we got it. So get that old broken clutch line off here and got the new one on. So now that's on, I'll go ahead and throw this hood on. That didn't work. Let's try the other side. Alright. Alright. Now if I can find the other hood bolt. Here it is. I have no idea where these need to be to line up, so we're just gonna slide them down and see where it lands and adjust from there. See what that does. Alright, it's not perfect, but it's pretty close. It give a little bit of force, it'll last. Alright, that'll work for now. We might get Casey to help us align it later. He's pretty good at body work. But kind of a bummer we can't fix this tail light back here. One tail light we don't have. But at least we can smash out this one and the two center ones multiple times and have replacements ready to go. Got 4 of those center ones, 2 for each side. And this torque mount right here actually does fit the Z6 transmission. So I'll have to go find some bolts for that or something. But as far as the snorkel goes, we're gonna run this on here and then probably cut a hole in this hood right here or something, and then just run this pipe out of it that I've got up here. It's just like some drainage pipe, flexible hose. So if y'all have any ideas for the snorkel, how you want to see it done or anything like that, let me know in the comments and I'll make that happen. And just anything in general that you want to see on this car. Normal stuff, weird stuff. I don't know if you got an idea for like a paint scheme or something, just throw it down in the comments. I do have some more lights and stuff coming. We'll be putting those on, stuff like that here and there. But that's pretty much all for this one. But thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you next time. Peace.